If your average person lives for 99 years, your average person will sleep for 33 of those years. So basically, out of 99 years, you end up with 66 years where you are awake. Your average person today will spend between 6.5 to 10 hours a day staring at a 4-inch screen, scrolling, playing. So let's be kind and say that's another 8 hours a day. That's another 33 years gone that you won't see of your life. That's 66 years out of 99 that you're not seeing. That leaves 33 years left. In that 33 years, your average person will spend 15 of them stuck in their heads, judging, opinionizing, fantasizing, wanting, fearing, hoping, all of these kinds of things. So that leaves us, what, 18 years. So, if your average person is lucky enough to live for 99 years, they will actually only see 18 of them. That's a very, very sad state of affairs. Anyway, let's go and have a look at these trees, shall we?